Okay, we have seen this shloka yesterday. Hmm? Huh? Next. Next. Okay, wait. So this is what the prose order. What is that? Idam jagat prak. Idam jagat. This whole world, what we are seeing, what we are experiencing every day, the whole world, how it was before getting created, how it was. Prak, which means before, purvam, how it was. Yes, it was there. Whether it was there or not will come first question. Yes, it was there. How it was there then? As it is, how we are saying in the same way it was there? No, it wasn't like that. But it was like nirvikalpa. In nirvikalpa state, it was there. What is that nirvikalpa state? Nirvikalpa state, which means how a tree will be there inside a seed, but we cannot see separately a tree and a seed. Both of them are different. In that way, we don't see. We cannot see, right? If you take a seed, if you take a mango seed, you cannot see a big tree over there inside a seed, right? The same way, the whole world, what we are seeing today, the universe, the world, whatever you call, the Jagat, that is there inside that Atman before getting created, before getting this shape, what we are seeing today. Before that, before getting created to this shape, it was inside that Atman only. So, Nirvikalpa state it was. How? Bijasya antaha ankurahaiva. Example they are giving. How a plant or a tree will be there inside a seed, as it is. Jagat was there inside Atman. Then what? Punaha, again, when that creation time or when creation started doesn't mean it's a long process, thousands of years he has taken and created. He thinks and it has happened, that's all. It's like a 1 second moment, one moment, that's all. So that moment, Maya Kalpita Deshakala Kalana Vaichitriya Chitri Kritam. It is how it was. Maya Kalpitam. The whole word is created or created by Maya, or the Atman thinks, which means he is having connection with Maya. Atman starts thinking, he will become thinking Brahma or thinking, which means there is a quality added. Then he is not supreme one. If you add a quality, see, it's like this very simple. Just take one person, okay? Some Deva Manava, let us think. Okay, one great person is there, great sage. Ramana Maharshi is there. Let us think for an example. Okay, how he is? He's just a human being, right? Just like he's like us only. He might be wearing different dress and we might be wearing different dress, but both of us are same, right? Ramana Maharshi and us. Okay, two eyes, 2 ears, and two legs, everything, and how he walks, the same way he also walks. What we eat, he also eats the same thing, same. But you add sarvajnatvam to him, and you are going to add alpajnatvam to you, right? Sarvajna, alpajna. Sarvajna is Atman. Alpajna is this Jiva, one who is none other than Atman and reflection of Atman. Okay. So you are adding all lower things to this Jiva and all higher things to Atman. Okay. So even if that supreme Atma, or you are adding all higher qualities to that supreme Atma, but you are adding different qualities. That is the reason he is becoming what? Even if he is supreme, we are making him as a normal. When we start adding qualities, that's what, right? No, there is a person, for example, some Rameshaha is there. Okay, you will tell Sundaraha Rameshaha, a quality is added. Before that, nothing was added, unattached. Now Sundaraha added, Unnataha Sundaraha, tall and beautiful. Like that, you start adding. Then what will happen? His bondages or his connections will grow. The same way, Atman starts thinking. Then Maya comes into picture. Okay. So the whole word is kalpitam by Maya. Desha, Kala, everything is created by Maya herself. Then, yeah, Vaichitriya Chitrikritam. Because of that only this strange word has taken a shape, has portrayed. It's been, painted in that way. Yeah, how? Mayavi Iva. Just think, there's a magician. How a magician creates something, just like that he makes something, then something will be created. Okay. And he does something will be vanished. Okay, in that way. The same way Mahayogi, example was Vishwamitras yesterday, right? So how Vishwamitra has created that different word, different Indra, just because of his Svecha. Just he thinks to create something, everything happened. He hasn't taken one day to create sun, another day to create moon, another day to create some stars, and one day sky. Not like that. Just a moment. I'll create the complete new world for Trishanku. That sudden moment, it has happened. And he stood there in that middle word. That's what. That is how Svecha, only by Icha Matrena, he, what he does? Vijrambhayati. Vijrambhayati. He shows his greatness or his that gloriness for a moment. That's all the meaning. Next. Next. Yeah. For these supporting statements are there. Atmava idameka evagra asit. Only one Atman was there. Then Bahyas. Okay. Fine. I'll come from that side. Bahya sadhana rahitataya katham sarjanam bhavati jagatah iti prashna. So in the beginning, what was the question? Without, yeah, without having any instrument, how he creates? Just by his thinking. How? Indro maya bhif pururupa iyate. He himself becomes many. And then next, the same way, so many. Atmava idam eka evagra ase, idam eka evagra asit. Only one Atman was there. See, Svecha matrena sarjanam. Tam nama rupabhyam vyakriyate. He himself becomes many, and depending on his structure, there will be a name also. Name and form, both of them will come. Tad atmanam swayama kuruta. Himself he has created everything. Yatha kulalaha kumbham karoti mridgada chakra dandaihi tatha bhagavata sadhana. That was the question again, same thing. Okay. How, what was his instrument? Nothing. He himself, just by his icha, he has created. Next. And yeah, some meanings I have read this one. Next. Okay, this was the question. Wait. Okay. No, no, there is no. Icha is also not instrument. There is no instrument. It is like, see, is there any instrument for a seed to become a tree? But seed needs soil and water. Yeah, that's what. That is separate. That, see, seed is there. When you put soil or water, whatever the thing, so it is not an ultimate thing, right? So it needs someone's help, and it will create something. Okay. So yeah, yes, correct. But for Brahman, no. But for Brahman, there is nothing separate instrument. Brahman is a thing. It's like, let us think now that seed is not having plant and water. Nothing. Don't think about all this. Just seed is there, and something will come out from that. That's all. Okay. How it will come? It will become that. That is how Atman is becoming the word. You're getting. So Atman is becoming the word doesn't mean that someone else's help is there. For example, so mud is becoming a mud pot. You might say that someone has to go and make all the things, but actually mud itself is taking a different shape, right? Just if there is a this one mud, just mud you kept there, it's looking like a small this one hill. Then if you take the mud and do all these things, and it will become a pot. But you have helped that mud to become like that. Might be you are the instrument, but in the mud, what is it? In the pot, what is there? The same mud. So mud itself has turned as pot. But after seeing this kind of shape, you are not calling it as mud, but you are calling it as pot. Why can't you call it as mud? Because mud's form is that one. It's a true nature. Now it is becoming it has become a pot. So you are seeing a shape, structure, and depending on that form, you are giving a name, right? The same way, if you are creating a glass, it will become like this. Then you are calling it as glass, some bowl kind of thing. But mud is everywhere. That's all. That is the way Brahman becomes that, or Brahman reflects in that way. What is the role of Maya? Yeah, see, why they say, I'll tell this one, Anirvachaniya Khyati, one main thing is there. I'll explain, and after one shloka that is there. Okay, Maya's part is there, but Maya is not the instrument. Once the pure Atman becomes the word, That is what Maya they call, that's all. But where it was inside Atman, outside Atman, all these questions will be answered after a shloka. Okay, not this one, next one. Next. Okay. See what you are seeing here. In the first picture, you are seeing some. Next picture, pot. Here, pot only, but some designs are there. Next, bowl, which means the pot. If you cut the pot in middle, then bowl will happen, right? No? Huh? Isn't it so? You can use. It is called like kapala we call in Sanskrit. Okay. So which means, just I'm saying, if you cut here in the middle, it will become some kind of that shape. Then next one is there's hole. There is a hole in that pot. And last one is again broken piece. What is the difference between this and this then? Huh? Can't be used for anything, but it is mud only. No, that is a soil. That's all. You are using or not, that is different. But it has gone back to its nature. That's all. In that way, the example. Okay, next click. See this one. Now, see from here. You are seeing something. You are getting, no? What is that? The same boy, the same baby. Okay, become, it's become a boy and an elder, then becomes a, old man and dies finally. Okay, he'll do some, sadhana or achievement and all. He will go to some, and he will, fine, done. Next, why I have shown this one? Answer is here now. You have read that one. Can you see that one? Asti jayate vardhate viparinamate apakshiyate mriyate. That has happened. No, mriyate. Mriyate, which means nashyati. That's the meaning. Okay, what I want to say, it is Atman. It's there or not? Okay, I'll go to mud now again. Soil, it is there. Right. Next, what will happen? Gets a name and form as Ghata, because you're creating in that shape. Ghata means what? On that day I said. Pruthu, Buddhna, Udara. It's like a stomach. It's like, in that way. So that is what called, that's why it is called Ghata. It's a name. Because of that form, a name is given. Okay. Next, becomes. So Neelaha Ghataha. Neelaha Ghataha, which means whatever the color you give or design you give, in that way you call it as Neela Ghata. See, some pots will be there. See, because you have seen in the market now. If they are making different designs, people will come and buy. But Ghata is same pot only. But you are making different color, you are giving whatever. What happened then here? Becomes Neela Ghata means Vardhate. Just think it's becoming something different. Then breaks. Ardho Ghataha, let us take. Half. Viparinamate. It changes to something else. Okay, half. And then finally, expires, which means like Randhro Ghata. After that, you cannot use. You cannot patch with something else, and you cannot use this because pot is gone now. There is a hole now. And finally, it has gone back to the beginning stage. Gone back to beginning stage, which means whether we can use or not, that is a different thing. But the thing, whether it is soil form or not, only that much. It's an example, that's all. Okay. So the same way, when you come to this part, there is a baby. Okay, let us not take baby. Something, Jivatman is there, let us think. Okay. He'll enter to a body. Then a baby, Jayate. We call it as, then what? It gets birth. Then he'll become a boy. That baby will become a boy. Vardhate. Viparinamate means what? He'll become, no, old age, no. He'll become youth. Changes his form from, whatever the thing, baby to boy, boy to a youth to an elder person, then old in that way. Apakshiyate is what? After 60. The same person will go down, like, gray hair, teeth won't be there, in that way. And finally, dies. Who dies there? Body dies. But again, his traveling will be, again, this circle will continue. But maybe not in this kind of body, but in a different body. That's all. That is how. Now try. How would you believe that everything is illusion? One, a boy, a baby. See, if you see your old photo, whenever you're very small, young boy, then and now, completely it is different. Ourselves, we cannot believe, oh, I was like this. After 10 years, if you see your today's photo, I was like this. I don't know, like that. Okay. Hopefully, we cannot see the future photo. Otherwise, no one would have thought, oh, I'll become like that in that. So, when you are in 60, 70, 80, that moment, I was like this in that way. That's all. See, it is the, if it is not illusion, if it is the truth, then no one would have become old, right? No, everything would be as it is, same. Nothing is growing, nothing is going to die, nothing is happening as it is. Everything is running, everything. That's all, right? So that's the reason it is illusion. But what we are writing or doing, whatever the work we are doing, as we have discussed in the first class, again, vyavahara rupena, truth, reality. Other than that, everything is unreal only. Okay. Next. This was the main question. So, asadva idamagra asit. In the beginning, there was asat. We heard in the Vedas. Okay. And we have seen that if a asat, which means what was not there, the zero, shunya. Sattvam, patrikayaha sattvam asti, astitvam asti, existence is there. Asat means astitvam nasti, non-existent thing. It's called asat. Okay. So nothing was existed in the beginning. That's what they want to say. And from that nothing, no existence to existence happened. That's what they are trying to say now. Because they are showing one Veda Vakya here, asadva idamagra asit. Next, how, for example, you can see there, if let us think there is a bud, it blooms, flower will happen. Where the bud has gone? But bud is not there, no. See, if I tear this paper into pieces, I'll throw there. Will you accept that paper is still there? Paper pieces are there. You are calling in a different way, right? That is what. Okay, fine. Now someone is standing here. Okay, now someone is standing here. Okay, his name is Ramesh. One of our batchmates, let us think. Okay, Ramesh is standing here. Suddenly he dies. Okay, now he is lying down outside. Still you are calling him Ramesh. Then he is there, no? His body is there. That is the reason. So that is how bud was there. Now it is flower, but bud is not there. Next, the same way, mrit. Sorry, yeah. See this one now. Okay, I'll tell now. Cloud will be there. There will be raining. After the rain, will there be a cloud? Where the cloud has gone? You are not calling rain, rain water as cloud, no? Cloud is there. It will be, raining. Where is the cloud now? It's not like bud is become flower. Cloud was there. The complete form itself is changed. Its nature has changed. Cloud is in which state? Now water is, sorry, this rain is in completely changed. Right. So cloud is not there. That is what they are saying. Asataha meghat vrishtehe utpattihi. Asat is not existent, non-existent. From the non-existing thing, something will grow. From non-existing thing, something will grow. They are saying. Next. No, that's Sanskrit sentence I said. Asataha meghat vrishtihi utpadyate. Illade male banದ ನಂತರ cloud ಎಲ್ಲಾಯ್ತು. See, I'll give the answer now. I'll tell in this way. Asataha mritaha. Mritaha means not dead. Mridaha, from the soil. Asataha mridaha gatasya utpattihi. Where is the mud now? in the pot, but you're not calling it as mrid still because form has changed, right? But here it is not like that. You're not getting. Huh. How? I'll tell. Okay, now see. Once again, I'll tell. Pot, but no, mud becomes pot. Where mud has gone, it becomes pot, right? Cloud to rain. Okay, where is cloud? Cloud doesn't become rain. Cloud was the reason, right? Cloud was the reason to rain. But after Karya happened, there is no Karana, what I'm saying. If there is a reason for every single thing is having reason. Many work, okay? Works are there. Behind every work, there is a reason, isn't it so? What is the reason for pot? Mrit is reason for pot. Then asadharana karana, which means without that particular thing, there won't be any karya, action. Okay. Without mrit, you cannot create pot. So mrit is the main reason, the asadharana reason for what? Pot. The same way what I'm saying is megha is, that is what? If there is no megha, can there be a rain? No. So megha is asadharana karana to rain. But if it after raining, where the megha has gone then? In water, it should continue, no? How in the pot mrid is getting continued, the same way megha also should continued in water. It's not, we haven't seen that. That's the reason they are saying from not existent megha, some rain will happen. Okay. Anyways, ultimately that is not the truth. It's a question, that's all. Okay. Finally, what you said, that is the truth. Okay. Next, that is one more example. Next, one more sentence also is there. Na sadasit, no sadasit tadanim. Okay, na sidraja, whatever. Na sadasit, na asadapi asit. So then how would you say that? From sat only everything happened. From sataha atmanaha idam jagat srishtam. How would you believe that? How would you accept it? Is the question.